Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into something super useful: how to register a Visa gift card. Whether it's a birthday gift or a reward, registering your card adds an extra layer of security and makes it easier to use online or over the phone. Stick around because I'll walk you through the process step by step in just a couple of minutes. First things first, why should you register? It protects your funds from unauthorized use and allows you to personalize your card with your name. Plus, it can help with tracking purchases and resolving issues quickly. Now, let's get to the steps. Step 1. Unpack your Visa gift card and locate the important details. You'll need the card number, which is usually on the front, and the expiration date and CVV code on the back. Make sure to have these handy. Step 2. Visit the official website of the card issuer. Most Visa gift cards are issued by banks like Visa, MasterCard, or specific providers, so look for the URL printed on the card packaging or sticker. Once there, find the Register Your Card section. Step 3. Enter the required information. This typically includes your card number, expiration date, CVV, and some personal details like your name, address, and email. Double-check everything for accuracy to avoid any delays. Step 4. Verify your identity. You might need to answer security questions or provide additional info. This is just to keep things secure, so don't skip it. If you run into issues, like an error message, try contacting customer support through the website or the number on your card. They can guide you through any problems. And there you have it. You've successfully registered your Visa gift card. Now you can shop with confidence. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more quick tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.